Hello grade 1, how are you? Today we are going to learn about measuring length. Measuring length, it means how long something is from end to the other end. How long something is from end to the other end. We can use ruler and meter tape to measure length. Here we have ruler and meter tape. We have two units to measure length. 2 units. Small unit, we called it centimeter, and its abbreviation is cm, centimeter. And we have big unit, we call it meter, and its abbreviation is m. Let's measure together. Now let's open our booklet. Write 1, 2 or 3 in each box to order the objects by length. Number 1. Which of these objects is the shortest? Yes, third one. So we will give it number 1. And which of them is the longer? The first one, we will give it number 2. And which of them is very long? Yes, this we will give it number 3. Number 2, which of these objects are shortest? Which one? Yes, this one, we will give it number 1. And which of them is longer? Let's think. This one, number 2. Which of them is very long? This one. This is number 3. Number 3. Which of these objects is shortest? Which one? This one. We will give it number 1. And which of them is longest? Which one is longer? This one. We will give it number 2. And which one is very long? The crocodile. We will give it number 3. Number 4. Which of these objects is shortest? Which one? This one. We will give it number 1. And which of them is longer? This one, we will give it number 2. Which of them is very long? This one, we will give it number 3. Number 5, which of these objects is shortest? Which one? Which fish? Yes, this one. And which one is longer? Which one? This one. We'll give it number 2. Which one is longer? Very, very, very long. This one, we will give it number 3. Number 6. Which one of these objects is shortest? This frog. We'll give it number 1. And which one is longer? Yes, this one. And which one is very, very long? This one, we will give it number 3. Color the blocks to measure the height of each object. Write the number in the box. Object number 1. Let's color the blocks together. 1, 2, 3. Its height is 3 blocks. Object number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So its height is 7 blocks. Object number 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Its height is 5 blocks. Object number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So its height is 6 blocks. Object number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So its height is 4 blocks. The last object, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Its height is 6 blocks. Count and color the total number of cubes tall for each flower. Flower number 1, let's count the cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cubes. Flower number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cubes tall. Flower number 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cubes. Flower number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cubes. Flower number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cubes. Flower number 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cubes. Flower number 7, 1, 2, 3. 3 cubes tall. Flower number 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cubes tall. Measure the length of each pencil and write in the box. We want to know how long the pencil is from end to the other end. The first end is at 0. The other end is at 4. So the pencil length is 4. Second pencil. The first end is at 0 and the last end is at 2. So it's 2. The third pencil. The first end is at 0 and the second end at 1. The last pencil. The first end at 0 and the second end at 6. So it's 6. Measure the length for each object in centimeter. Let's remember that centimeter for smallest units and meter for biggest units. First object, you want to measure it from end to the other end. First end at 0 and the other end at 5. So it's 5 centimeter. Second object, its end start at 0 and the other end at 11. So it's 11 centimeter. Third object, first end start at 0, the second end at 2. So it's 2 centimeter. Fourth object starts at 0 and the other end at 9. So it's 9 centimeter. Fifth object starts at 0 and the other end at 3. So it's 3 centimeter.